This is about the hardware for the Arduino door lock system. This spike describes the name of the component that we use for our project. Arduino Uno. 4x for keypad module, lock style solenoid, 5V battery step connector, breadboard, 9V alkaline battery, 60x2 LCD display, LCD Type-C module, fingerprint reader sensor, 9V1 relay module, and jumper wire.
Today I will demonstrate to you how to install Arduino door lock on your locker and how to use it. Let's go! This is how Arduino door locks looks like. You will need two 9V batteries for Arduino door lock. A rechargeable battery is highly recommended. Place your solenoid door lock on your locker. To enroll a new fingerprint, press A. Enter the password. Place an ID. And place your finger. Now, you can unlock the door using the same finger. If I place the wrong finger, it will state access denied. You can just unlock the door using a passcode. Just press B, enter the password,